Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview 13.51-foot rectangular swimming pool. At 13.51 foot long, this large rectangular frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Great to use for garden, seaside, balcony, farmyard, park, etc. The right size for kids and adults. You won't feel hot in summer. Product benefits. The pool frame is made of corrosion-resistant electroplated metal brackets. The lightweight and durable PVC material can provide structural integrity for the pool. The package includes pool, filter pump, filter element, and pool ladder. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.